All you need is 5 minutes to make a delicious chimichurri sauce. I use it as a marinade for grilling, as a dressing, and for drizzling and dipping. Let's get started. Chimichurri is an uncooked sauce used in Argentinian cuisine to add to grilled meats. Green chimichurri uses fresh herbs, a little bit of vinegar for tanginess, olive oil for richness, garlic for pungency, some seasonings like cumin and salt, and some red pepper flakes for heat. To make a red chimichurri, just add smoked paprika for a pop of color and cayenne for extra spiciness. It's all about using fresh herbs. I'm going to add Italian parsley and cilantro. Make sure to wash and dry the herbs really well because there'll be a lot of dirt and debris. You can just pick the leaves off, or I like to do a quicker method. Grab a sharpened chef's knife and just run the blade along the leaves, shaving them off. This is my favorite quick and easy way to do it. We're going to be adding this to a blender, so it doesn't need to be perfect. It's okay if there's a few stems. Now remove the cilantro leaves. Just give it a little shave, and it looks so beautiful. A little bit of red wine vinegar really makes the flavor of the sauce pop. For a milder flavor, you can use white wine vinegar or apple cider vinegar, but avoid distilled white vinegar because it's going to be just too pungent. To make the condiment shine, we're going to add a combination of savory and spicy ingredients. Ground cumin for earthiness, salt to enhance the flavor, spicy dried red pepper flakes. Now roughly chop 2 cloves of garlic. The allium adds a really nice welcome sulfur note to the sauce. Use high quality extra virgin olive oil. It's going to add a nice fruitiness and richness to the sauce. You can make chimichurri by hand by finely chopping the herbs and mincing the garlic, then just whisking it all together, but I'm going to show you a quicker method. Grab a blender or food processor. Add 1 cup of cilantro leaves, 1 cup of Italian parsley leaves, a 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar, 2 teaspoons roughly chopped garlic, 1/2 teaspoon kosher salt, 1/2 teaspoon ground cumin, a 1/2 teaspoon crushed red pepper flakes. Blend for 20 seconds to break down the leaves, stopping and scraping as needed. With the blender running on low speed, gradually add in the olive oil in a thin, steady stream. Now cover and process on medium-high speed for about 60 to 90 seconds. You want an emulsified, smooth sauce with some chunks of the herbs left behind. Woo! This is a gorgeous, bright green sauce to make any dish so much more exciting. I love how the sauce will just cling to any food, but if you like a chunkier texture, just process for about 15 to 30 seconds. Taste and season the sauce with a little bit more salt and pepper or some more red chili flakes for extra heat. I made a big batch of chimichurri sauce, but what should I do with it now? You know what? I've got a couple ideas. Juicy pieces of grilled chicken breast, grilled strip steak, or flat iron steak. One of my favorites, grilled shrimp. It really makes the flavor pop of grilled zucchini or portobello mushrooms. Take your potato salad to the next level, or mix it into some creamy macaroni salad. They are undeniably delicious on crispy roasted potatoes, or I even like to top it on my eggs in the morning. Now that you know how to make chimichurri sauce, what would you serve it with? Leave a comment below.